In this video, you'll learn how to turn a course your learners have already completed into a short, focused refresher designed to reactivate memory, not repeat the original. Learners forget. It's not a failure of your course, it's how memory works. A few months after completion, most of what was learned has faded. The fix isn't to make people sit through the same course again. It's to bring the key ideas back to the surface from a fresh angle in a fraction of the time. That's what a refresher does. CourseAgent generates one for you in a single click from a course you've already built. Let me show you. From your courses page, find the course you want to refresh and click the sparkles icon on the course card. From the menu, select Create Refresher. Refreshers are only available on AI-generated courses with at least 2 topics and a couple of thousand words, and they need enough source material to draw a meaningful condensed version from. The dialog opens with a suggested title, your original course name with refresher appended. Edit it if you'd like something punchier, then pick a size. Quick refresher, around 5 minutes, 1 topic, 2 pages, good for short courses, or a light touch. Standard refresher, 8 to 12 minutes, 1 topic, across 2 pages, with a fuller spread of sections. The default for most courses. Comprehensive refresher, 12 to 15 minutes, 3 pages, 18 sections. For larger courses where there's more ground to cover. Underneath, you'll see exactly what stays the same and what changes. The learning objectives, tone, language, and cultural context all carry across. But the content is revisited from a fresh angle, condensed to roughly a third of the original, with new knowledge checks and recall-oriented framing. Click Next and choose how you'd like the visuals handled. You can use placeholder images and add your own later, or have CourseAgent generate AI images to match each section. Click Generate Refresher. CourseAgent doesn't just summarize your course. First, it analyzes the source course, the structure, the learning objectives, the tone of voice, the cultural and geographic context. Then it rewrites the content from a recall-oriented perspective. New examples, new scenarios. Knowledge checks designed to surface what the learner already knows rather than re-teach it from scratch. Scenario characters, quiz questions, and the original prose are deliberately replaced. This is reinforcement, not a reread. The refresher is built as its own course, so learners can be enrolled into it independently a few months after completing the original. When generation finishes, the refresher opens in the editor. The opening page acknowledges the learner has completed the original course and sets the expectation. This is a memory reactivation, not a repeat. A What You'll Revisit page lays out the key ideas being brought back, mapped to the original learning objectives. From there, the topics and pages follow the structure you chose, condensed, refocused, and ready to publish. When you exit the course, you'll see it tagged with a refresher chip on its course card, so it's easy to tell apart from your main library. Build the course once, generate the refresher when you need it, keep what learners learned alive instead of letting it fade. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.